Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Adobe Firefly prompts and assets workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Firefly on your computer. Navigate to the main dashboard where your projects are displayed. Identify the specific prompts and assets that you want to backup. Select the first prompt by clicking on it. Once selected, look for the export option in the toolbar. Click on the export option to reveal the different saving formats. Choose a format that suits your needs, such as JSON or a text file. Determine a location on your computer where you would like to save the file. Name the file appropriately for easy identification later. Repeat this process for each prompt you wish to backup. Next, navigate to your Assets section within Adobe Firefly. Select the first asset that you want to backup. Similar to prompts, look for the export option for assets. Choose an appropriate format for your assets. Decide on a folder location on your computer for these files as well. Save the asset in the designated location. Continue this process for all assets you want to backup. Once all prompts and assets are exported, open your File Explorer. Create a master backup folder to organize everything in one place. Move all exported files into this master backup folder. Consider using cloud storage for additional security. Upload the entire master backup folder to your preferred cloud service. This ensures that your backups are accessible from anywhere. Periodically review and update your backup to include any new prompts or assets. Establish a regular schedule for performing backups. This will help maintain the integrity and availability of your work. Following these steps will ensure your Adobe Firefly prompts and assets are securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.